Welcome to the Picobit Tech channel. My name is Behnam Jafari, and in today's session I'll show you how to install ESP-IDF plugin on Eclipse IDE. The ESP-IDF plugin for Eclipse integrate the ESP-IDF with the Eclipse IDE, providing an easy-to-use environment for developing application for ESP32 microcontroller. This plugin allows you to create project, write code, compile, debug directly within Eclipse, simplifying the development process for ESP32 based devices. You can find the links to our previous video at the top of this page. Let's go. Open your internet browser and search for the phrase "Expressive latest plugin for Eclipse." Navigate to the ESP-IDF repository website at dlexpressive.com. Open this website, you will find the latest version of the ESP-IDF plugin. Open the Eclipse software and go to the Help menu. From this menu, click on Install New Software. There are two methods to install ESP-IDF plugin for Eclipse. Click and copy URL of latest version of the plugin from the repository at dlexpressive.com. Paste this URL into the workspace box in Eclipse. Two options will appear in the lower window. Check both options, then click Next to begin the installation process. Method 2, click Add. Paste the URL from latest plugin version into the location field. Check both options, then click Next to start the installation process. In the Trust Authorities window, make sure to check the box for the repository website dl.expressive.com and then click on the Trust selected. The installation of the plugin may take some time. The progress percentage of the installation is displayed in the bottom right corner of the main Eclipse window. At the end of the installation process, click on Restart Now to restart the Eclipse software. After restarting, a welcome window usually appears, which includes the option ESP-IDF plugin guide. This indicates that the plugin has been successfully installed.